today I've decided we'll be making ground turkey Italian sausage lasagna. Now that I'm back, my hands are clean, it's time to start making magic this great lasagna. So I'm going to tell you guys everything that goes in my lasagna my way. Now this is just one way I make a lasagna, but first thing I use in mine is, of course, you guys know out there I'm not a pork eater and rarely beef. Beef is a treat also in my home. So I'm going with a ground turkey. I'm going with a ground turkey Italian sausage. I'm going with a baby bella mushroom, sweet onion and green onion mixed, a green pepper. I like a few of the dried tomatoes. I'm going to do a ricotta cheese as a spread. And I'm going to do the oven ready sheet lasagnas. And that's the kind without the ripples, and you can just lay it flat. And I'm not a fan of oven ready, but when it comes to lasagna, I like for my noodles to be really soft to the palate and really like melting in your mouth really good. So the oven ready Barilla brand is really good. And as you guys all know, I usually would make a spaghetti sauce or a tomato sauce, marinara, whatever you may want to call it, but I actually bought a great value brand, whatever you may want to use, Prego, whatever. Everybody like different things, but I always doctor mine up in some type of way anyway, so you can do what you want to do. So back over here to these turkey Italian sausages, which is some really good info. Now I've never been able to find them in the store ground, so that's why you see them as links. But what I do is I take them and I squeeze them out of the casing, because once you squeeze them out of the casing, then it does become a product that's a ground meat. So you just want to squeeze that out of the casing. And that way you can brown your meat, your turkey, your ground turkey with the turkey Italian sausage, and it's all crumbly together versus a link, and it's way better too. So that's that. So what we're going to get started, and do it until you're all done. I just wanted to show you guys how to actually do that. So now what we're going to do is get ready to go over to my cooking area, get ready to brown the meat and saute the veg off and season our meat, which is a lot of our foundation of this meal, so we can go ahead and make a great lasagna. Be back in a sec. Okay, now that we're back, I've allowed my vegetables to actually saute for at least 5 to 8 minutes. That way, with cooking this meat, my veggies are already done and I don't have to worry about it. So, we're going to go ahead and add our ground turkey. You know, smash that down a bit. Then we're going to go ahead and add our turkey Italian sausage. Sometimes I go with different kinds, like herb-based turkey Italian sausage, sweet, spicy. Well, this particular kind is sweet because I still have to kick up my flavors with my seasoning. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually allow this to brown a bit before I actually add my seasonings. Why? Because if any excess oil off this meat is too much oil, I'm going to actually drain it. Okay, so now I've actually allowed my meat to brown the way I wanted it to. And the reason why I didn't season it when I first put the meat in raw is because I like to brown my meat and see what type of oil is going to come to surface, because again, you guys know I am not a fan of oily meats. But one thing about turkey products, they are never oily. So I just like to be safe, because I'm anal like that when it comes to different things, and especially my food. So now we're going to start seasoning. We're going to put us some accent. You guys know that's my best friend. According to your palate, it's up to you. We're going to do some good old-fashioned Lori seasoning sauce. Some ground garlic. Some black pepper. However much you may think, I love black pepper. That's another thing. That's like my friend and enemy at the same time. And I love dried oregano in my foods, as far as my pastas and different things. So lots of that. Now I'm going to add just a dab of cumin. That just kicks it up just a dab. Now I'm going to add a little bit of my minced garlic. Yeah, no, we can't do no tutorials without that. That's that good stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just, you know, toss this around. Let those seasonings go through the meat nicely and evenly. So every bite you take is an even bite of nothing but greatness. So now that seasoning is great, I do. You don't have to if you're not really a fan of tomatoes, but I love tomatoes. So I'm going to add a can of diced petite tomatoes. Then I'm going to just toss that around. Let it go all throughout that meat evenly again. Let it do what it do. Then I'm going to add my pasta sauce, marinara, tomato sauce, whatever you want to call it. And I'm sure at you guys home, you do the same thing we do. Put a little bit of water in there to get the excess tomato sauce out. So mix that around and allow it to simmer. And then we're going to get ready to actually build that lasagna. Be back with you guys in a sec. Okay, so now we got our foundation of our lasagna done. Now it's time to actually build the actual magic, which is the lasagna. So again, I went with the flat sheet Barilla brand lasagna noodles. So what I do is I actually put a layer of meat down first. Now everyone that I know, nobody does their lasagna the same. You know, it's kind of like a thing like macaroni and cheese. Everybody got their own little special kick. So I'm just doing what feels natural and good to me. And I'll probably do another lasagna in the future because I do several different kinds. Okay, so now I got that layer down. That's a little thin layer of the sauce and meat. And that's how you want it to look if you want exactly how I do it. So now I would like to sprinkle a little bit of this shredded cheese, which is a Monterey and a Kobe mix, down just a little bit. And I do that because in my mind I'm thinking the actual noodle is going to stick really good. So we're going to lay us some of those flat sheets down. And I'm a pasta girl, so I'm going to overlap a little bit. So I'm going to get about 6 sheets. Then I'm going to take my ricotta and a nice little spatula. And you see how smooth ricotta is? And I'm going to smooth it out. Now all of my lasagnas I do not use ricotta in. But tonight, that's what we had a taste for, so that's what we will be doing. spread it out nicely. And it don't have to be pretty, because once you put your meat and everything on top and the heat gets to it, guess what? The cheese is going to actually spread anyway from the heat. So if you want to be perfect, go ahead, but you don't have to be. Okay, so that's what it is. So now we're going to go ahead and do us another layer of meat. And make this one a little heavier than the bottom, because your bottom was just your foundation to make everything start mending together, in my mind. Again, everybody does things different, but I've never got a complaint thus far, so try it if you like. Now we're going to go a little heavier on that shredded cheese. This is going to be really, really awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do another thing. I'm going to show you guys another way that you can go ahead and spread that ricotta. As you see, it's smooth, but this is what happened in the kitchen, so you know what? It is what it is. A little piece fell, that's fine. This is my last bit of my meat sauce, and this is how I do it. Again, everybody does things different, so but this is always, no matter what type of lasagna I do, this is the last step to mine, because I always make more than enough, so my top layer always end up being my meat and some cheese. And it might not look the prettiest, but baby, it's good. Now, I'm gonna take and put us another layer of that shredded cheese on top. And we're going to actually pop this baby in the oven for 33 minutes and allow it to bake and get all down in there and let those cheeses melt and just come to life. And I'll be back with that finished product. Be back in a sec. Now I have allowed my lasagna to cook for 33 minutes, and this is my lasagna. That's how it looks. But before I actually cut into my lasagna, I allow it to set for at least 20 minutes at minimum. That way, when you cut into it and dip down in there with that spatula, you could actually get all your meats and cheeses in one whop. So, again, lasagna.